Hi there, in this tutorial I'll show you how to maintain your coily hair, your pixie wig, deep wavy, all types of coily hairs you have. Also check out my books, how to start your hair business and hair extensions and how to test its quality. If you're somebody who is in a hair business or you're aspiring to start a hair business, these books will be very helpful for you. This is a sample wig that we'll be using for this tutorial. It's a coily wig. It has like a deep coily pattern, and depending on how I dry it, it can look like it's a bouncy coily hair. So I'm going to start by, of course, showing you all the parts of the hair that are tangled, which are like the roots of the hair. And we're going to start by completely drenching the hair with water. And after we finish wetting the hair with water, we're going to use a shampoo to wash the hair. You can see the down part of that hair right there. It's really tangled there. Some people choose to brush their hair first while it's dry, but I just find that I prefer wetting my hair first and brushing it because it sort of helps define the curls better. Next, I'm using the Tresemme Clean and Replenish shampoo to wash the hair. I'm trying to massage that shampoo all over the hair, inside and the interior part of the wig as well. I know we are washing the hair, but we also want to wash the interior, the wig cap as well. After washing the wig, we're going to proceed to rinsing it off. Yes. Sometimes your wig might not be dirty, but it might have that smell of heat, sweat on it. So it might not always be the dust you need to wash up. It might be the heat, it might be the sweat, it might be maybe just it might just have a funny smell to it. So don't use because your wig doesn't look like it's dirty and say it doesn't need washing. If you wear your wig for at least 20 days consecutively, you should wash your wig. And take note, coily hairs are high maintenance. It requires you to continuously at least wet the hair and brush through it. If you use a straight hair, you can get away with not washing it frequently. You can see now I've rinsed off the shampoo from the hair. Next, I'm going to condition the hair using this Tresemme lightweight moisturizer. It's a lightweight moisture. It's a clean and replenish conditioner from Tresemme. The reason why I use this lightweight moisture type of the Tresemme conditioner is because it's not going to weigh down the coils on the hair. It's just going to keep the curl patterns defined. It's not going to make the hair feel like it's too heavy and the curls are dropping. Apply the conditioner all over the hair, and then I start to brush the hair from the tip, and I start taking the brush upwards after I've completely detangled the tip of the hair. I went upwards towards the up part of the wig to minimize shedding. So you start from the tip and brush it all the way to the up part. That's how to detangle your coily hair. So take your time. You can see when I showed you how the wig was initially, there were lots of tension at the upper parts of the hair. Next, I'm going to use this keratin treatment to further help me moisturize the wig and make it softer and more beautiful. So I'm going to apply it all over the hair, from the upper to the tip of the hair, the back of the hair, all over all the parts of the wig. And after applying it all over the wig, I'm going to start brushing through it because I want to really spread the products in. The reason why I tend to brush my wigs wet is because I'm using the brushing process to help get the product into all of the strands of the hair. You can see me, I'm just using my hand now to massage the product into the hair. Next, now I'm working the hair with the hairbrush. I'm going to brush through it, brush through it. If you can, please ensure you start from the down parts if you've not fully detangled the hair. But if the wig has been detangled to some extent, then you can brush it from the up part all the way down. So take your time to brush the hair really well, because in the process of brushing it, like I said, you are spreading that keratin treatment into all of the strands of the hair, because you want to ensure that all the strands of the hair gets the treatment. You can see how it looks now. The curl pattern looks more defined. The hair looks so much more beautiful. And I'm sorry if the placement of the camera is not really capturing the full wig. I film my videos alone, so most times I might not see exactly what the the camera is recording. It's when I finish filming the video that I get to see exactly what was captured. So I try my best as much as possible to work with what I have. So you can see right here how I'm still trying to detangle the wig, starting from the down part and working my way upward for the areas that are still tangled. Start from the tip and work my way upwards for the areas that are still tangled. You want to start from the tip and brush all the way up. So guys, don't forget the places where you can buy my books from. It's the ebook is on my website. So when you pay for the ebook on my website, you're going to receive the digital copy in your email address. You have lifetime access to the ebook. You can always read it. And even times when you feel discouraged in your hair business, there are certain parts of my story that I shared with you that are really going to help you, and various insights in the book that are truly going to help you. So this is the wig right now after I fully deep conditioned it and detangled the hair. I'm going to put it in a microwave now to help steam the hair. Don't forget that keratin treatment is still on the hair, so I'm just using the heat from the microwave to further help that keratin treatment to really do its wonders on the strands of the hair. You can see how beautiful the hair looks right now. The curls are well defined. It's so beautiful. So steaming your hair, you can just use your you can boil hot water and have your wigs put in the hot water for a few minutes. That's another way to further deep condition your hair. Or you can choose to use the microwave method that I use, that's sort of faster. So after I did the microwave heat treatment, I'm going to further brush through the hair to ensure that there are no tangles left. Because the thing about coily hair is coily wigs are prone to tangling. They are prone to tangling, so you need to ensure that you maintain it well. And depending on how you use it, like this particular wig right here in this video, I tend to use this workout. What am I saying? I'm so sorry, guys. I tend to use this wig right here in the gym. So imagine using coily wig that is normally high maintenance. You work out in the gym, you're jumping, you're doing all sorts. That's the reason why you need to also take your time to ensure that you manage it really, really well by ensuring you detangle it properly and you condition it and all of that. I really love curly hairs because I feel like it just makes me look like the goddess that I am. So guys, this is the wig right now. The curl patterns have been well defined. It's been completely detangled. The curls are just jumping back up after I brush through it. It is ready to be rinsed off and air dried. Always air dry your coily wigs, your straight wig, all your wigs when you wash them. Never use a hand dryer to dry it. Always air dry it. That is the best way to dry your hair, because if you use a hand dryer, the natural curl pattern of the hair would not show. But when you air dry the hair, you get to see the natural curl pattern of the hair. So while I'm rinsing off the product that are still left in the hair, I'm using my hairbrush to brush through the hair. And after I'm done rinsing it off, you're going to see where I take the wig to spread it on my balcony for it to air dry. Yes. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you are getting value out of it. Lots of ladies watch my videos and you guys just watch it without giving it a thumbs up. Please support me by giving the video a thumbs up. Another way you can support me is by also sharing this video and ensuring that you subscribe to my channel. Don't just watch my videos and not subscribe, please. Join my family, join my community by subscribing to my channel, liking the video and sharing your video with somebody that you know that this you will find it helpful and will help the person's wigs look better. So I've completely rinsed the wig right now and it's time for me to air dry the wig. Yes, it's time to air dry the wig. Yes. So I'm gonna take it out and air dry it. But I think let me show you the hair that was lost while I was washing this wig. With coily hair, in most cases you would experience shedding. So this was the hair that shed from the coily hair, and this is it right here on my balcony where I let it air dry. Depending on how I stand this wig when I'm drying it is going to determine how the look is going to be. Because I wanted the curls to be dropping, to be sort of dropping, that's the reason why I just hung it. If I didn't want the curls to be dropping, if I wanted it to be a bit more bouncy, I would have dried it on a flat surface where the curls would rest on. So this is what the wig looks like after it has been air dried. It's completely detangled. The core pattern is well defined. It's beautiful. It's shiny. And take note, I rarely apply. In fact, I don't even apply serum on my coily wigs. I don't know if some other ladies tend to apply oils or serum on the coily wigs, but I don't. Right now, I want to start the closure area. I'm applying hair wax to the closure area because I want to flatten the hair on the closure area. That's the only part of the coily wigs that I apply heat on. And I've seen people who typically buy coily wigs and they're able to style their coily wigs as straight hair, they're able to style their coily wigs as wavy hair. And I believe it's something that we can do because your hair is coily doesn't mean you cannot straighten it and coil it to a different style like a body wave, or you can even straighten it, though it might be difficult to get it to be bone straight. But this is the finished look of this wig. If you got value from this tutorial, please don't forget to give it a like, share this video with your friend who's also going to get value out of it, and please subscribe to my channel and check out my websites to buy wigs and my books. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.